In outdoor lighting systems, the dependability of a control component is often determined by how well it repels the environment. Today, we are breaking down waterproof ratings for wire-in photocells. What does an IP rating mean? The IP rating assesses resistance to solid particles and liquids. For IP65, 66, and 67, the first digit, 6, means the device is fully dirt-tight. The second digit describes the level of water protection. IP65 protection. An IP65 wire-in photocell defends against rain, splashes, and low-pressure water jets. It is most commonly used for domestic illumination, internal fixture installations, and courtyard lighting. IP66 protection. An IP66 photo control adds confrontation to high-pressure water jets and wind-driven rain. It is strongly suggested for completely uncovered street illuminations, parking areas, and industrial patios. IP67 protection. An IP67 outdoor photocell permits short-term immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It is most often stated in high-risk environs like coastline projects, flood-prone areas, and underground installations. Installation quality. Do you always need IP67? No. Overspecifying leads to needless cost. Furthermore, even the highest-rated IP67 photocell can fail if fitting quality is meager, such as inappropriately wrapped cable glands or erratically compressed gaskets. Match your rating to real experience conditions. For application-based recommendations, trust Lead Top.
Lead Top, your flexible OEM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.